Today I'll be introducing the second essay you'll be writing this week called The Childhood Reflection. We will be looking particularly at objects from childhood and spaces from childhood that evoke memories and emotions. For this paper, you will describe either an object from childhood or a special space from childhood. The paper should include description of the object or space, a specific memory about that object or space, and reflection about why that object or place was important to you. You may be wondering about how to pick your object or place to write about. One of the activities planned for this week is a memory map invention activity that will help you find and select an object or place to write about. That should help you remember details from your childhood and generate ideas. My main guideline is that you should choose any object or place that evokes strong memories or emotions for you. I hope that the activities will take you back to a place with happy memories from your childhood. The student example on Moodle titled Sunday Banana Pancakes is a cheerful memory. But I know that not every childhood is so sunny. You don't have to write about your childhood experiences if it's too difficult. You can choose to write about another era. If you have difficult memories that you are willing to tackle, you may want to take a look at the example on Moodle titled The Safety of the Wall. So, how do you write this? Well, you first focus on showing rather than telling. This paper is a descriptive narrative with the bulk of it being snapshots of your object or childhood space. Work on showing rather than telling. Zoom in on details. Zoom out to show the whole expanse of your space. Try to be cinematic. Use sensory language that engages the five senses. Try to use some comparisons, like metaphors and analogies. Also, throw in dialogue and thought shots while you're at it. Formatting your reflections will become a habit in this class. 2 pages, 12-point font, double-spaced, with a title, converted to PDF, and uploaded to Moodle before Sunday at midnight. This will be the same almost every week. Also, don't forget to take a look at the examples I've written over the years. You can find these examples in a file titled My Mini Memoirs Example Reflections, filed under the course documents on Moodle. Let's look at an excerpt together. This one is titled The Blue Truck. We go outside and the windshield of the blue truck is covered in ice. Get in and turn the heater up to full blast while I work on this ice. The heater is blowing ice-cold air. There's no way it will warm up fast enough to help loosen up that ice for Dad. We'll have to rely on brute strength. I look inside Mom's car for another ice scraper to help with the other window. Finally, we chip away enough ice to see the road, more or less. Now we're driving down an icy 46th Street in the blue truck. The truck is still blasting ice-cold air from the heater. Dad says, "Okay, let's get a running start." He floors the gas as we go down the small hill leading up to Button Road to build momentum. If we don't get going fast enough, well, who knows if we'll make it up that hill. The speedometer reads 60, then 65, then 70 miles per hour. Then the speed starts slinking back down again as we begin our ascent. As we near the crest of the hill, the car is creeping along at 45, 40, then 35 miles per hour. Cars are piling up behind us. On this shady side of the hill, frost and ice still perilously cling to the road. Then we pull to the top of the hill, and the Easter morning sun blinds us. "We made it!" I cheer, hands in the air. "Let's hope we can make it again tomorrow." I hear it will be another cold one. I wonder if Dad was pulling my leg about it. Maybe the whole scenario was something he made up just for fun. If so, I'm so glad. For us, there is always plenty of thrill in living. Before I let you go, just a quick word about the pacing schedule. It's a busy week in terms of activities. But I hope that you will But as always, these activities, readings, forums, and videos are designed to help you write the papers and fulfill course objectives. The memory map in particular is an important invention activity. Plus, all these activities are supposed to be fun. I hope that you enjoy them and learn from them. Okay, friends, it is time to let you go. You have a week to write your childhood paper. Happy writing.